Hey there, people. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the Binaca dental floss. Yeah, as you know, dental floss is really a necessity to having good hygiene in your mouth. I mean, you have to floss, otherwise, you get all kinds of bacteria and just bad teeth, you know. And I learned that very early in life, so my teeth are very good. Yeah, so I floss daily, and Binaca dental floss is what I use to do that. This is a very good dental floss, meaning it's strong and it's not too thin. A lot of times I'll buy dental floss, and the floss is like more like a thread versus an actual floss. What I like about, because thread is much thinner, and if it's too thin, it's not going to get into your teeth and bring out what it needs to bring out. It has to be a standard, I think, thickness to the floss itself. What this is wax on there. There's a wax on there to help the sliding and everything through your teeth. You want to get it in there and be able to slide up and down and around and back and forth around all the walls of the teeth to get all the junk out. And the wax helps that. I am preference to it says minted. Yes. So at the same time you're using this, you're getting a fresh smelling breath too. And Binaca is very famous for having their little spray bottles to make your breath smell good. So they carry that over to their dental floss, which is a great idea. Yeah, and I've been using Binaca for a while now. So my entire family uses the same kind. We all have one apiece, and this is 100 yards. So you don't need a whole lot. You just need to pull off a good amount to wrap around your finger with both hands. Go to work on your teeth. 100 yards usually lasts me. This whole thing will last me probably maybe about 4 months. Yeah, and it's really economical. So buying another one of these is no big deal at all. It's really, really easy. I buy them by the pack. So, like I said, my family has one that we use a piece, and, it does what it does. It really gets into the teeth and makes them very clean. Now, the minty flavoring is not overwhelming, meaning when you're doing it, you barely taste the mint. It's not like brushing your teeth. So if you're trying to say, I'm going to use this and this is going to be like using a breath mint, it doesn't really work like that. It's not that strong. It's just strong enough. The mint is just strong enough to give you a nice little something to taste while you're putting this in your mouth. So don't floss thinking that this is, it's minted, so I won't use my mouthwash after doing this. So no, don't think about it that way. It's not like that. It's really a good way to add a little nice little taste in your mouth while you're flossing. I'm not saying they shouldn't have the flavoring or it doesn't do anything, but it does. I'm just saying it does make you feel. It makes you have a nice taste in your mouth while you're doing that. So yeah, this is a very good brand. Also, Binaca has been around for a very, very long time. I haven't used Binaca forever, but I've used it for a really, really long time. And the floss here, it really does the job. It's just the right thickness. It slips in and out of your teeth just right, and it tastes great. Now you can get this without the mint on it also. You could just get it plain, and you can even get it unwaxed. But this is my preference. But to each his own, right? So, like I said, 100 yards of this, and it goes a long way. You won't need to buy another one for a good long while. And the mechanics of this is strong and sturdy. A lot of times I'll get a cheap one, a really one that's just generic, and this cutter thing would fall off, or it would split open here, or something, you know, it would be bad. So yeah. All right, well, we're talking about the Binaca dental floss. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.